So my tour is gonna start like 20 minutes. I don't know how far the airport is from here. Day 2, Mr. Roper fits. You can't see this, but I think I'm cute. Oh, wow.
Season time, like that time, there is no way actually to see a free place on this parking area. Just big vans and
So
lots of
crowded.
cars.
We're inside of a tomb. Y'all, I'm sorry. I can't tell you which one. I don't think this is gonna be one of those history vlogs. Mostly because I've heard a lot of history on this trip, and it's very difficult to retain it because Egypt is so full of history and it's so beautiful.
So, Valley of the Kings is full of stairs. I mean, if you're looking for a cardio workout, this is it. However, keep in mind that Luxor is much hotter than Cairo, so you're talking about heat and stairs, stairs and heat. One of the reasons that my guide, one of the main reasons my guide decided to do Valley of the Kings first is because it's full of lots and lots of exercise. So you get it out of the way and you can relax.
Queen Hatshepsut. That's her temple. Or is her palace? How are you?
Fine.
Good.
Point to the guardian. Here, right hand side.
Oh, okay.
So the Queen Hatshepsut, after this temple has been damaged, she used the stones as a quarry to pelt her own. They spent here 10 years restoring the temple. So the old pictures of the temple, you can see it like that.
Wow.
The temple. We got other places, we call it the workers' rooms and village, just out of that area.
So they live here now? They get, or they sleep here at night sometimes, or the workers? Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay.
With the same place.
Okay.
That's why we call it workers' rooms and village. Because the workers actually they did the separate rooms for the kings, so they are not allowed actually to communicate or go to the other side. So they must spend the whole night here.
Okay.
Those tombs you can see, they are the elite people, the nobles. The ministers and the viziers and the nobles actually, their tombs starting from here to the end of that place. Those are the trees. The Queen Hatshepsut, she bring it from home, Somalia right now.
Oh, wow.
She make expedition to Somalia. She give them like wood, stones, and she bring from their wood and
Wow.
this is the unique design of the temples. Hatshepsut, she break the rules in Egypt. If you want to take a picture of this.
Oh, wow.
And we are one axis with the Karnak.
Yeah.
As you can see, the reliefs is so hard to see. Even it has been damaged. Can you see the hieroglyphic around?
Yeah, wow.
It has been damaged by the king Thutmose III. Actually, Thutmose III, we call him Napoleon of Egypt. He did 16 battles and he didn't lose any one of it. So he was a strong king.
Yeah.
But here, Hatshepsut is trying to prove that she is the daughter of the god Amon-Ra. Look at this relief. You're gonna see like two goddesses down. If the throne of Egypt, she needs to make this drama. So the Egyptians will accept her as a queen, as a pharaoh. Look at her two small figures. This is her body and her soul. Can you see these two small figures? So the reliefs actually so tough. This is the shape. This beautiful way of the reliefs actually. That was a great time because Hatshepsut, she cared about the hand of the workers. So they left this amazing. And look at in front of him, amazing offering. Different kind of fruits, vegetable, meat.
Ah, this whole,
birds,
wow.
Yes. And the colors around, it is original, it's from Hatshepsut's time.
Wow.
The ceiling is amazing, the blue background, it's representing the sky. And the copper on top, you can see them.
Yeah.
And then we have the sundial, two snakes, two wings. It's a symbol of protection to protect the place actually from the enemies. And those bottles you can see, they are the perfume with the lotus flower.
You guys, seriously, if you're out of shape, it'll be amazing, but listen how hard I'm breathing. Jesus. Jesus be a fix. Jesus be some water. Air.
The That is actually like, as I said, a male figure with the false beard.
Wow.
She's trying to act like a man.
Yeah. So the camera ended up being really hot. So this camera has been everywhere, but it's never been to a place this hot apparently.
Can I do a video?
Yeah.
Try Egypt in August.
Yeah. So really, so this I've never seen this camera tell me that it was too hot. It's never said it was hot.
How we are suffering during the summer.
Yeah.
We are dying.
Oh man. So it was very hot. Got on my Mr. Roper jumpsuit. I wore it because Bean Nisi had on one when she visited Egypt. So hashtag just like we inspire one another. Oh, so many stairs. The trick is you lean back and then you sashay shante. I guess I shouldn't say that because that's the person I'm gonna end up talking to. Doing a chit chat about somebody that I renamed Sashay Shante. Oh man.
What we call it here the alabaster stone. Alabaster stone, as you see like this, it's coming in 3 different colors.
Yeah.
Okay? So only one color. The first color looks like crystal. First color is white. White. Okay. Second is brown. And the third one green alabaster. Okay. So those are the 3 different colors for the alabaster stone.
Yeah.
Alabaster stone, even in the ancient Egyptian time, it's kind of a spiritual stone, you know? Because the ancient king and the queen, they use it for healing from people's, okay, from bad things or bad eyes, okay? So, alabaster stone, it's coming behind those mountains.
Yeah.
Okay? And as you see even, it's coming like a very huge block. As you see over there, okay? As you see the block over there, okay? Behind the pikes, okay? And to make any figures, made by hand, as you said, from A to Z. For example, like a handmade alabaster,
Yeah.
vase, how you call it?
Yeah, vase, vase, both okay in American. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, at home, how you call it?
Both.
Both.
Depends on the person. To vase, to vase.
So, it's a vase.
Fancy vase.
It's like a vase, okay, to make a nice piece like this one.
Yeah.
Here. We're doing the first step. And what the first step is? And you see, he's going to cutting the hammer. Cutting the stone and using the hammer, okay, to make different form or different shapes. So, for example, this one here, just the first step to make like a handmade alabaster vase or a vase. Could you hold that one? And cut him out about it. See the weight?
Wow. No, I don't. Yeah, very heavy.
Very heavy.
Yeah.
So they want it very heavy because it's just the first step to make. So to make this one very light or much lighter, we're going to do the second step. And what the second step is, we're going to show, yalla, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, very nice.
Going to rasp, this one here, okay, polish the piece for several times, and then in the end you use a piece with a sandstone or sandpaper to make it very smooth.
Okay.
As you see.
Oh wow, there we go, yeah.
In the end, it's coming like this one here. Hold it right now.
Sure.
Yeah. See.
Oh, very light.
Very
wow.
So this is a hand-made
Oh,
alabaster.
wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this one, I'm going to show you inside. Tea light candle.
Okay.
Through light, translucent, transparent. This piece, what we are doing over here, only the handmade stuff.
Wow.
You have to get attention for those figure because this is alabaster as well. It's not fake, but this is what we call it here, the factory made or the machine made.
Oh, I see.
See the big difference between.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Very heavy.
It's much
yeah.
heavier.
Yeah.
So there's a big difference between the handmade and machine made. Handmade is very light. Okay, for tea light, for candle, you can see transparent, translucent. Okay. Something else that's very important to know. Those figures, maybe what you're going to find the people that sell in the street. If you've been in Valley of the King or are going to Valley of the King or Hatshepsut temples or Karnak temple or Luxor temple, you find lots of people over there, they hold 2-3 figure like this.
Yeah.
They are haggling, bargain the price too much.
Yes.
They start like 200 pounds.
Too much.
Okay, 100.
Too much.
Okay, $2.
Too much.
Okay, 1 Egyptian.
Too much.
Okay, present.
Thank you.
Why? Because all those it's fake. Easy to pick if you hold it. Look at this.
Really? Wow. Very
Nothing
easy.
at all.
Yeah.
The real black stuff, what we are doing over here, it's coming like this piece.
Yeah.
That's made out of the basalt stone. It's the real basalt.
Yeah.
And this is looks like the one they found in Tutankhamun graves in the ancient Egyptian times. And the real one right now is staying in the CAIRO museums. Okay. So that's made out of the basalt stone. This
Okay.
is the real basalt. Okay.
Wow.
This is a handmade.
Is it heavy?
It's a bit heavier.
Okay,
because
but
this
not
is
that-
basalt.
not that heavy.
It's not that heavy.
Yeah.
It's not like the factory made.
Right.
Okay. Key of life, to symbol of long life and happiness. Eye forest, was symbol of protections, and the scarab, it's symbol of good luck.
Good luck.
Okay. So all those, it's handmade. So what is carving? A very nice piece. What's made out of the limestone? It's like in the ancient Egyptian time exactly. Okay. They're all the handmade figures.
Yeah.
Inside you're going to find such a very nice figure made out of the limestone. Even here we have Mr. Cat. Yeah. The cat was a symbol of happiness in the ancient Egyptian time. They call it Pasta, the goddess of happiness. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank-
Ancient Egyptian figure exactly.
Yeah.
Different story, different figure name.
Yeah.
We are doing here a very nice piece like this one here, and that's made out of the alabaster stone.
Wow.
The difference between the alabaster and the limestone, alabaster transparent like this one here.
Oh, wow.
Usually behind each great man, a great woman. Those are just one piece of stone. So the way how they cut it,